Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is widely known as the father of Indian space program. He helped establish the Indian Space Agency, the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), and led it as chairman. He was a great institutional builder and established or helped establish a large number of institutions in diverse fields. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad into a wealthy industrialist family on August 12, 1919. His father was Ambalal Sarabhai, built calico mills, one of Ahmedabad's oldest textile mills that ran over a century. His family was committed members of Quit India movement against the British Raj. Vikram Sarabhai completed his schooling in Gujarat and attended Gujarat College, but dropped out to join University of Cambridge, UK. He graduated with a Bachelor of Arts in Natural Sciences in 1940. Due to immense restriction caused by the Second World War, Sarabhai returned to India and worked on cosmic rays under physicist C.V. Raman at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Keen on pursuing a doctorate, he returned to Cambridge in 1945 and defended his thesis titled Cosmic Ray Investigations in Tropical Latitudes in 1947. The same year, at the age of 28, he returned to India and established the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad with the aid of charitable trusts and endowments from industrialist friends to continue his work on cosmic rays. The institute, which came to be known as the cradle of space sciences in India, is still one of the world's leading research institutions for space and allied sciences. Having a keen interest in industry as well, he was set up the Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association the same year. Vikram Sarabhai married classical dancer Mrinalini in 1942. The couple had 2 children, a son and a daughter. His daughter Mallika gained prominence as an actress and activist, and his son Kartikeya too became an active person in science. Known as the cradle of space sciences in India, the Physical Research Laboratory was founded in 1947 by Vikram Sarabhai. The PRL had a modest beginning at his residence, The Retreat, with research on cosmic rays. The institute was formally established at the MG Science Institute, Ahmedabad on 11 November 1947 with the support of Karam Kshetra Educational Foundation and the Ahmedabad Education Society. Professor Kalpati Ramakrishna Ramanathan was the first director of the institute. The initial focus was research on cosmic rays and the properties of the upper atmosphere. The research area were expanded to include theoretical physics and radio physics later with grants from Atomic Energy Commission. He led the Sarabhai family-owned business conglomerate. His interest varied from science to sports to statistics. He set up the Operational Research Group, the first market research organization in the country. Most notable among the many institutes he helped to set up are the Nehru Foundation for Development in Ahmedabad, the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, the Ahmedabad Textile Industries Research Association. Along with his wife Mrinalini Sarabhai, he founded Darpana Academy of Performing Arts. Other projects and institutions initiated or established by him include Fast Breeder Test Reactor in Kalpakkam, Variable Energy Cyclotron Project in Calcutta, Electronic Corporation of India Limited in Hyderabad, Uranium Corporation of India Limited in Jaduguda, Jharkhand. The establishment of Indian Space Research Organization was one of his greatest achievements. He successfully convinced the government of the importance of space program for a developing country like India after the Russian Sputnik launch. Dr. Sarabhai emphasized the importance of space program in his quote. There are some who question the relevance of space activities in developing nation. To us, there is no ambiguity of purpose. We do not have the fantasy of competing with the economically advanced nations in exploration of the moon or the planets or manned space flight. But we are convinced that if we play a meaningful role nationally and in the community of the nations, we must be second to none in the application of advanced technologies to the real problems of man and society. Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba, widely regarded as the father of India's nuclear space science program, supported Dr. Sarabhai in setting up the first rocket launching station in India. This center was established at Tumba near Thiruvananthapuram on the coast of Arabian Sea, primarily because of its proximity to the equator. After a remarkable effort in setting up the infrastructure, personnel, communication links and launch pads, The inaugural flight was launched on November 21, 1963 with sodium vapor payload. As a result, Dr. Sarabhai's dialogue with NASA in 1966, the satellite instructional television experiment was launched during July 1975-76. Dr. Sarabhai started a project for the fabrication and launch of Indian satellite. As a result, the first Indian satellite, Aryabhata, was put in orbit in 1975 from a Russian cosmodrome. Dr. Sarabhai was very interested in science and education, founded a community science center at Ahmedabad in 1966. Today, the center is called the Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center. Some of the distinguished positions that Vikram Sarabhai held were President of Physics Section, Indian Science Congress, President of General Conference of the IAEA Vienna, Chairman of Atomic Energy Commission of India, Vice President 4th UN Conference on Peaceful Uses of Atomic Energy, Founder and Chairman, Space Applications Center. On December 30, 1971, Sarabhai was to review the SLV design before his departure for Bombay the same night. He had spoken to APJ Abdul Kalam on the telephone. Within an hour of conversation, Sarabhai died at the age of 52 due to cardiac arrest in Thiruvananthapuram. His body was cremated in Ahmedabad. Vikram Sarabhai's legacy lives strong today and continues in the Indian space program and nuclear program, both of which focus on indigenous development, just as he envisioned. The lander of India's Chandrayaan-2, Vikram, was named after him, and so was Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, ISRO's facility for rocket development in Thiruvananthapuram. A crater on the moon at Mare Serenitatis or Sea of Serenity, visible to us on the near side, is called the Sarabhai crater in his honor.